2014 Motor Trend Truck of the Year. And first ever back-to-back champion. Guts, Glory, Ram.
Fernandina Beach, Florida had a huge wooden deck problem. Punished by extreme weather, salt air, and heavy traffic, they needed an economical way to give their boardwalks longer life. They chose the original Restore and Restore 10X, a revolutionary, easy-to-apply repair coating that's 10 times thicker than paint. And if it works here, imagine what it can do for your deck at home. Don't rebuild. Apply the only coating that renews and repairs. Restore and Restore 10X. And now for less distressed decks, try new Restore 4X.